Hello everyone, my name is Syam Manoj Kumar and my institute roll number is 20CS10041. And as a part of the DIY project, I have used the FreeCAD software to design three things. And the first one is a pen stand, which you can see over here. And in order to create this pen stand, initially I used the pad feature to design the base, and then I used the pad feature once again to create the top section. And then I used the part design option to create one cuboidal structure, and I used the fillets to give it a circular edges. So initially I have created only one thing, and then I use the array option to replicate one cuboidal fillet or the entire bulk of the body. I've used it twice, once to replicate it in one cross section, and the second time to replicate it over the entire top section. And after that, I have used the simple Boolean operation, that is the cut feature, to remove these cuboidal fillets from the bulk of the body, resulting in our pen stand. So this is the final pen stand. This is the isometric view. The one you have seen before is the top view. So this is how our final pen stand looks like. And the second one which I have done is a twisted vase. And in order to create this twisted vase, initially I made the sketches of equilateral triangles at different sections. I made four sections, and then I used the additive loft option to join those different cross sections which I have made using the smooth surfaces. Initially, when I made those sketches of cross sections, I have made them with a slight turn so that we have a twisted effect while lofting. And then I have given some thickness for our vase, and our final vase looks like this. This is the top view, and we can rotate and see. Yes, this is how our vase looks like. And the last thing which I have made is a simple vase. This is the top view. And in order to create this vase, initially I made one cross section in the XZ plane, which I could not show you because I forgot to save that. And I have made one cross section, and then I use the revolve option to get the entire part. That is, I revolve the cross section about the z axis to create the entire structure of the vase. And then I added some thickness to get the vase. And these are three things: the pen stand, the twisted vase, and a simple vase. And once we send these codes to the 3D printing, we can get our material. So, thank you.